Hello, I'm Liz Chatelain, co-founder of LGD in Tech. And today we have another interview with one of our leading members.
I am Riddhika from URR Manufacturing. So basically, URR is mainly developed for lab-grown diamonds used in the space of technology only. It could be anything related to quantum, semiconductors, thermal management.
And where do you manufacture?
We manufacture it in Mumbai, in India.
How have you found the journey into getting into diamond for tech?
We initially started lab-grown diamonds for gem quality, and we have a pretty strong reputation in it. As we deepened our expertise, it came clear to us that some of the core competencies, which is the crystal growth, the purity control, the material engineering, is very similar, and it can be extended to use in high performance tech applications. We began with smaller wafers and we gradually moved into producing highly pure, larger wafers for quantum and electric applications.
Where do you think your journey is going to take you?
So we're trying to focus and channelize our resources, quantum applications, thermal applications, electric grade applications.
How have you found it for your business, your employees? How do you develop the technology needed?
Growing a diamond in tech requires a great level of precision and uniformity. Every tiny variation can affect the performance. So hence training employees has required a major shift. We've had to invest in cross training gem specialists to understand the lab protocols, the clean rooms procedures, and the semiconductor standards. So that's a big change that we've got it in our organization. And in front of, on the business side, the tech market is still evolving, and it's all about educating our clients, building trust, and staying agile, enough to be open to any new cases that we come across.
Where do you think the opportunities are for diamond in tech?
We're still scratching the surface. Lab-grown diamond is likely to become the backbone material for quantum computing and high frequency electronics and sensors. And as the ecosystem matures, I believe we'll see a broader use of diamond in different areas. And as entrepreneurs and researchers and manufacturers, this is a once in a generational opportunity to help us shape an entirely new material platform. So we're just proud to be on the forefront of this movement.
Do you have a diamond you could show us? A lot of people don't even understand what a tech diamond could look like.
This is a thermal grade diamond wafer. It's just a 5 by 5 mm diamond wafer, which has a thickness of around 0.5 mm.
So how long does it take you to produce that?
Anywhere from around 2 to 28 days, depending on what we're trying to make.